Today, each one of us are going to start a business. If and when we start a business, we need to have some sort of entity to do business. Today, we in India, we've been talking about technology from a period of time. Today, each one of us, due to advent of technology, have what is known as a permanent account number, a PAN. So every individual, every business entity has a unique identity called PAN. There was a lot of time that we kept always talking that, listen, we don't go to the US and you have a lot of social security, see how good they are, how nice they are, how well it works. And then came this revolutionary thing called Aadhaar in India, okay, which linked basically linked a PAN card and linked everything that is really there. So by this kind of linkage, what really happened is every entity became very unique. So each one of us will have a PAN number. So when we quote a PAN number, permanent account number, it is linked to our Aadhaar. It will give us a tax identity. Now, when you look at a tax identity, it will also give you obviously what are the subsidies you take, what are the subsidies you don't take, etc. The whole gamut of things. So the first form of business is today, like for example, we are meeting on a Saturday morning and we are deciding what to do. You all are really inspired, and you all say, "Chalo, let me try something." Say Francis says that, "Chalo, let me try and let me form some business. I'm already in service. If it works, great. If it doesn't, like what happened in COVID, like a lot of ladies said that, chalo, ghar pe baithe hai, let us send dabbas. Let us take up some classes. Let us really do that. Like I give you a simple example. One of the ladies in my society, she was working for HDFC Bank, vice president HDFC Bank. So it was work from home, and she was a very good cook apparently. So she started sending these dabbas. It went so well that today she sends 1,500 dabbas and she's no more in the bank. Now she's taken up this as a as a profession or as a business. So when you want to try something, what is the first thing you wanted? Something which is very easy to start, very easy to shut down. So the first form of business that is there is a sole proprietorship.